Hi, this is Nicole from Produce Made Simple. I've got 3 great recipe ideas to help you save time and money this busy holiday season. This is an expensive time of year, so stretch your grocery dollars and make soup from scratch. Homemade soup is so easy to make. Just check out our leek and potato recipe video. It uses only a handful of ingredients, and this soup is honestly so creamy, and it doesn't include any cream. I really think you're gonna like it. One of the best things about making soup as well is you can freeze it in batches and enjoy it later, or it serves a big group. You can make it in advance and just heat it up when you're ready to serve. If you have a lot of presents to buy for neighbors, teachers, and colleagues, make our easy orange cranberry bread. It tastes as good as it looks. The sweetness and citrusy tang of orange perfectly counterbalances the tart cranberry flavors. This is one present that is sure to brighten any table. A strata is a great recipe for brunches and lunches with people you love. Make it in advance and then enjoy the company when they're with you. Start with eggs and bread, and then add savory ingredients like mushrooms and onions, or fill your house with the sweet smell of baked apples with cinnamon. For even more great holiday tips and recipes, please visit us at producemadesimple.ca. Thanks so much, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Season's greetings!